Barnyard with the greatest of care. Standing in the house, something's heard. But when he hollered, "Woo down!" This is what he heard. There ain't nobody here but us chickens. Ain't nobody here at all. Calm yourself. What's the fuss, man? You can't get up and all does. I point that gun the other way and love it. Hey, I said tomorrow is a busy day. Things to do, we got the eggs to lay, we got the grounds to dig, and worms to scratch. Takes a lot of sitting, getting chickies to hatch. Now ain't nobody here but us chickens. Ain't nobody here at all. Calm yourself. What's the fuss? Picking up and all does. Point that gun the other way, and I will love. Come on, Harmon, come on, tomorrow is a busy day. We got the things to do, we got the eggs to lay, got the grounds to dig, worms to scratch. It take a lot of sitting, getting chickies to hatch. Now ain't nobody here but us chickens. Ain't nobody here at all. Calm yourself. What's the fun? Ain't nobody here but us. I want that gun the other way, and I'm love Tomorrow is a busy day. We got things to do. We got the eggs to lay, grounds to dig, and the works to scratch. It takes a lot of sitting, getting chickies to hatch. Now there ain't nobody here but us chickens. There ain't nobody here at all. Calm yourself. What's the fun? Ain't nobody here but us. Chickens are to sleep in. You was still in. It's
TJ Sullivan, my buddy. Yeah, he come by the shop the other day, and we were visiting, and I said, you know, we've been here doing this over 5 years, and you've never done our show. And he said, when do you want me in? I said, well, now. So here he is on the next one. TJ, I love you, man.
I love being loved by you.
So this is kind of like, I think we put up, Kim did something like country and blues mixes good, or something like that. Good mix, we said, huh? Good mix. So for about 13 years of my life, along with playing country music, I played a lot of blues. That's why I met him. I didn't know I didn't know Eric Garcia, I didn't know Ken Berry, I didn't know Who's the guy you just mentioned that plays so great? Like Ricky Z, all of them. A whole bunch of and this guy, a whole bunch of blues guys. And we were doing all those jams at the Hideaway and at Viva Cantina and at the Big Fish and at Mr. B's. Remember that? That's like 20 years ago.
I spent too much time with
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. So you're kind of like what we call the guest artist. So we're gonna let you kind of run with it. So do another one, and then we'll toss it around a little bit. But what do we got? What else
You want me to do another one?
Yeah, 2 in a row. Can you believe it?
All right.
Remember the jam sessions? You would get to do 3 in a row, and they would kick you off. Remember? You get up. Everybody would get to do 3 songs.
Okay. This song by Guy Clark. It's called Texas Cooking. It's in G,
Okay.
2 parts. Because G to F. And the other part is 1 to 4. 1 to 4. And you're going to see it right now, Carmine.
Okay. I'm gonna wait and watch what you're doing, and then
All right.
then I'll jump in. So
I'm going down to Austin, Texas. I'm going down to save my soul. I'm gonna get that barbecue chili, my fill, and go back home. And I'm gonna take my baby with me. We gonna have a real good time. Get them enchiladas greasy with white bread on the side. I said, oh, mama, ain't that picking something? Oh, mama, stop your belly and backbone from broken. Oh, mama, ain't that Texas cooking good? Oh, mama, eat it every day. I could have said I know man that cooked the cabrito, best anything you ever makes pan pussy, it can't be real good time. Make me happy with pork gravy on the side. Said, oh, mama, ain't that Texas cooking something? Oh, mama, stop your belly and backbone from bumping. Oh, mama, ain't that Texas cooking good? Oh, mama, eat it every day. If I could. Oh, my mama, ain't that Texas cooking something? Oh, mama, get your backbone and belly from bumping. Oh, my mama, ain't that Texas cooking good? Oh, my mama, eat it every day. If I know a man that got fried okra, best anything you ever saw. I want to take my baby with me. It must be a gangster. Gonna get a big sausage, a ranch style ribs. I can eat the heart of Texas. Gonna need some brand new jeans. Texas cooking good, ladies and gentlemen. It's like my grandma always said. She said, don't go too far from home. You're gonna lose that Texas cooking. Texas cooking. Yay!
Yeah, man. Good song. I love it. I
Guy
love it.
Clark.
If you want to come up a little, you can. Not too much. It's up to you. Okay, Paul.
Carmine. I don't understand what you
wanna
just
leave
said.
it? I just said it.
It was in Spanish, bro.
Oh, I can?
Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Half a notch. Okay, because I saw you looking at it, and I'm thinking, maybe he wants it up a little. What do we got?
What do you want to do?
I want you to sing a song.
I will.
You want to?
All
Now
right.
we got Tom Paul Wilson here tonight. He's going to come up and we're going to play a couple of things. You know, we're getting ready for the February 19th Gene Autry Museum gig. And that's going to be, we have to be there at 4:30, the audience. The people are welcome to come at 6:30. What's it, like a $20 cover?
Yeah, and it's 6:30 if we start. 6 o'clock, doors open.
The doors open at 6, so get there by 6. We start about 6:30, the band. And we're going to play 2 hours, 2 sets, roughly.
8:30, we're done.
8:30 we're done, so come on down. It's a great museum. You're going to be able to go in, look around, and I don't think do they have food, any kind of stuff.
Drinks, family stuff.
Oh, it's a good family kind of a thing. Bring the kids. They got drinks, food, different things you can do. So it's going to be fun. What are you doing? You took your guitar off.
I'm just looking at you.
Well, come on, we're going to do another song.
You guys go ahead.
You're going to take a break?
No, I thought you told me to do two.
Yeah, but stay with play.
Oh,
You get to play with us a little bit if you want to.
I do?
Yeah. Let's just do what
you
you want.
guys go ahead.
Okay,
You-
all right.
you-
We'll
you
get you
might
back
wanna
up in a
sing a
minute.
bit.
All right. How about a hand for TJ? We're not too many here, but we love this guy.
All right.
Oh, man.
DJ.
Even wore his country shirt.
That's right.
I love it.
My wife, Chris Fields, just for coming down here.
I wish she came with you.
Yeah.
All right.
We got a new dog. She's watching the dog.
G. All the way around. 1, 2, 1.
Well, she said if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count 10. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Bob Gotham. I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. tick of the clock's a reminder. She's 1 second farther from me, and she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies, farther on down the track.
Well, all right.
I've never even said that this is Carmine's Country Corner coming to you from beautiful downtown Lockwood Center. Our guest artist tonight is T.J. Sullivan.
Hey, look, there he is.
I met him when I was playing the blues gigs,
What are you
and
doing?
this guy is a lot of fun. So, oh, he's gonna play again, absolutely. He just wanted to take a break.
Look, I changed his shirt.
Huh? Okay. Tom, we're gonna get you up right after this song. Bob, you wanna do one?
Sure.
Okay.
We're gonna do a song called "Walking by Myself." It's a blues shuffle.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should have a. Gee, it's a song. You don't want to play on a blues song with us? Yeah.
I'm gonna do that song "Walking by Myself," TJ, like we talked about,
Okay.
with the breaks and everything. I hope.
Well, you break, I'll try.
Yeah.
That's all I can do. Oh, he's gonna sit on.
What key are we in?
A.
A.
Yeah. There you go. Just shuffle in A. I'm walking by myself. I hope you'll understand. I just want to be your lover, man. I love you, yes, I love you with all my heart and soul. Would not mistreat you for my weight in gold. You know that I love you, and you know it's true. Give you all of my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you'll understand. I just want to be your lover, man. TJ. it's true. Gave you all of my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. Hey. You know that I love you, and you know it's true. Give you all of my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. Yeah.
Mighty fine, Bob. Mighty fine.
I saw Jimmy Witherspoon sing that on TV on KMET in 1972. And Robin Ford, a 22-year-old Robin Ford, was on TV with him, man.
Do another one, Mr. Sullivan.
Yeah, all right.
And then we'll get Tom up when you do one. That was on the flyby.
And I haven't
What do you need?
do that. I remember that. I got my little cassette machine recording TV. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing out there?
Did you hear it popping?
I heard it, yeah.
I think it's a car.
What was it?
I think it was a car.
What, you think it was a bullet or something?
I was raised around guns and sounded like that. I think it was a car by the way.
Oh, yeah. I thought somebody knocked on the door. We heard some noise outside, folks. We thought somebody knocked on the door, and Tom went out to check it out, and there's nobody there. So, yeah, that's just the wind, maybe, or something.
Ice trying to get in.
There it is. It's an earthquake.
No, it's not an earthquake. You sure there's nobody out there?
Looking at us.
I don't see any.
Well, you know, how hard is it not to see somebody if they're there? I mean, it's only there.
I think
All right, Sullivan, what we got?
I got,
My phone's ringing. We're gonna let it ring because I can't be. Anyway, if you're watching us on Facebook, make sure you push like and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, well, push subscribe. And you getting it together there? So we're here at Carmine's Country Corner. Got a little blues thing going on. And we're doing country too. Nobody there? Oh, what are you knocking on the door for? Just come around and come on in. Bob Pelly, I think I might know this guy longer than anybody in the room, and I've known all these guys at least 50 years. Yeah, I met you in the 60s, man.
64.
Yeah, when?
64.
Yeah, I just got married.
Is that right?
Yeah, get married in 64. Yeah, absolutely. Anyway, yeah, we were kids together, man. So he's a singer, songwriter, entertainer. One of these days, you're coming up and doing the show with us.
I need more work, Carmen.
Well, we all do. Just come and have fun. It's not about work. It's about fun. We don't come here to work. All right, so we're still getting set up here.
I know what I'm doing.
I know you do. I don't. But okay.
Hey,
What do we got, boss?
Zero something by Lowell George. They're all
I love
songs.
old George. Tell the boys what we're doing.
It's a song called Easy Money.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
It's got very familiar changes. It'll do one key change when it goes from G to B. To E,
Having a quick rehearsal here, folks.
A, and then G.
All right. TJ Sullivan, folks.
Yeah. Hey now, I'm gonna do a song by Lil George wrote it. Ricky Lee Jones had a big hit with it. But that's the way that it goes. It's called The Music Business. No, it's called Easy Money. G.
Close.
It was a joke. He's leaning on a back door. Couple Jills had their eyes on a couple bills. Their eyes were stating they was waiting to get their hands on easy money. They flipped a dime. One said, I'll take heads this time. One stepped up, one stepped back. When loosened her shoulder strap, couldn't speak, her knees got weak. She could almost taste that easy money. There was this old black cat. He was sitting in an old black Cadillac. The Jill set the bait. She wasn't gonna sit around and wait. Meanwhile, this guy get wise. He flies out the door with that easy money. 'Cause there ain't no man got the. 'Cause there ain't no man's got the money in his hand that got into that red bean. Slow in the head, I said, I got a plan. Listen, Sam, how'd you like some easy money? And then he looked at her, he said, yeah, oh yeah. Tell me what you want me to do. Baby, you could trust me. Baby, but you must be hiding in my room about 2:15. Cat told the boy, come up to the room, you gotta play with my toy. And the Jill said the baby, she wouldn't sit around and wait. Meanwhile, this guy gets wide and he flies out that door. Let's go to the beat at Carmine. Saturday night was a terrible, terrible fight between two dames. They was at the same game. It wasn't clear, but I hear someone's trying to make some easy money. 'Cause there ain't no man's got money in his hand that got into that bread. But being slow in the head, the easier it looks, the harder it looks. I said, ain't no such thing as easy money. I said one more time. I said, the easier it looks, the harder it looks. Easy money. Yeah. No such thing.
Easy money. My verb down. Tom, come on up. Why? Oh, you, I thought you were. I looked right at Bob and said, Tom, come on up. But Tom was sitting over here, my fault. TJ, it's good to see you, man.
It's good to be seen.
I'm happy you're here.
I'm happy to be here.
Well, good.
Thanks for inviting.
At any time. So you're going to use that mic? That's okay?
Yeah, I'll use that mic.
Okay. Make sure your strap isn't turned backwards.
I'm not too particular.
Do you want me to move the fuck out of here?
No, I don't. I want you to back up a little bit. If you can.
Or it's not going to back up.
Okay, well then.
Very much. Just stand there and put the in.
Yeah.
There you go.
You move this
I
thing.
can't tell if I'm still in the shot, but you know what? I don't care. We're good.
What?
I'm not in the shot. I don't care.
Oh, no, you got to be in the shot.
You gotta be in this.
I need a pick.
Okay?
I need a pick, and can someone show me how to do a G?
key.
Gee, not that way.
Oh.
Okay, I got one. You got a pick? I got one here if you want. You have one? Yep. Where you going? I want to make sure you're in the shot.
That is a hell of a
Here you are.
cornlines.
By the way, at the Autry, parking is free. Parking's free. It's LA. Parking. Keep playing, fellas. Parking's free, and it's plentiful, and it's a really great venue. So Thursday the 19th, me and some of the boys here are gonna go play, and I got a lot of friends coming, so that's gonna make it fun. And I hope you guys can make it. All right, Tom.
I ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby. If you don't know by now, I ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby. It don't matter anyhow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window, baby, 'cause I'll be gone. But you're the reason I'm traveling home. Don't think twice, it's alright. No use in turning on that light, babe. That's a light I never know. Ain't no use in turning on that light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still, I wish there was something you could do or say to try to help me change my mind instead. We never did too much talking anyway. Don't think twice. Come on, you ready, buddy? Yeah, go. You know this before. Ain't no use in turning on that light, babe. That's a light I've never known. Ain't no use in turning on that light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still, I wish there was something you could do or say to try to help me change my mind and stay. Oh, but we never did too much talking anyway, so don't think twice. It's all right. Oh yeah. So I can softly sing this last verse. There ain't no, I'll get there. Here we go. say goodbye, it's too good a word, babe. So I'll say fare thee well. And I ain't saying you treated me unkind. You could have done better, baby. I don't mind. Just kind of wasting my precious time. Don't think twice, it's alright.
Me? I think so. That sounds just a little checking. You want to do one more quick one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do one more and then we'll go from there. We've only got another 25 minutes.
All right, this is one I did. It's a song that I wrote. I never wrote it down. It can't be written down. The lyrics cannot be written down. It's part of my deal. Seriously.
Leon Russell wrote a song like that.
So I had to write lyrics I could remember. I'd write lyrics I could remember, right? And these are the lyrics that I could remember.
Based around vegetable.
Leon Russell did?
No.
Oh.
You.
Say it again. All right, here we go. And it's a GDC boys. It's a circle, and there's like just.
What key in? G.
I ain't competing with no one. It's just not my style. Can't we get through this together and be happy for a while? You don't have to be a commie to want to even things out. Not every nut's a Nazi. What the hell's it all about? When the Lord comes to greet me, where's the devil gonna hide? And if life is gonna leave me, I may as well enjoy the ride. Carmine, come on, buddy, play one.
If I don't see you sooner, I'll see you on the 19th.
Okay.
You'll be back up here before then. Pelly, we're going to get ready for you in a week or so. Get yourself in shape and come on up and play with us. It'll be fun. We're going to have a good time.
I'm looking forward to it.
Polly, want to go?
Yeah.
All right. Having fun tonight?
Yeah, man.
Good.
Thanks for inviting me.
Well, absolutely.
Still trying to figure out what crazy arms.
Okay, you're doing great.
Okay.
Try an E.
Okay. 151.
Key
2.
Crazy
E,
arms
are you
at
sure?
E. 151.
1.
Oh, turn that way down. Good. No. got the intro, Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. Storm is brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. So please take these treasured dreams I have for you and me. Take back all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new, but right now I'm so lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. That's why I'm lonely all the time. TJ. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, while my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine.
Bob, you want to do another one?
Sure.
All right, what?
Let's do Little Sister.
Let's do it.
Elvis style. That's kind of bluesy, right?
That was next. Get ready.
1, 2, E.
it's very nice and then you run. Sister, don't you dare run to me, sister, no. Oh, well, I dated your big sister. I took her to the show. I went in for some candy, and along came the nanny, and stuck right out the door. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice and then you run. Oh, little sister, don't you dare let your big sister down. TJ. Every time I see your sister, she's with somebody new. She's mean and she's evil, like a little old more evil. Guess I'll try my love with you. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice and then run. Oh, baby. Little sister, don't you do what you big sister down. Carmine Sardo. I used to pull down on your pigtails, pinch your turned up nose. But lately you were growing, baby, it's been showing from your head down to your toes. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice and say it's very nice and then you run. Little sister, don't you do what you big sister done. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister done. Whoa, little sister, don't you do what your big sister done.
There you go.
You got one more? What do you got? Hey folks, Carmine's Country Corner. We got TJ Sullivan up here sitting with us, doing a bunch of blues stuff, and we're having fun. I met him on the blues circuit with all the guys, and we had Tom Paul Wilson got up there a couple. He'll be back in a week or so. He's kind of part of the family around here. Bob Pelly came up to say hello. So thanks for watching, and we got a few more, about two more, and we're done. We had a lot of fun. Again, TJ, thanks for coming up. I mean,
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Really, man.
Carmine.
Okay, man, hit us again.
I'm hit, man. It's I think it's a Louis Jordan. So. Excuse me, ladies.
I will. Let's go in G. Yeah, idea how this goes. Straighten up and fly right.
Oh, yeah.
Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top.
At least Bobby knows it.
That's a wide open one. Is it a 12 bar? The other guy with the.
I try to show you what I'm doing. You guys play these songs. A buzzer took a monkey for a ride in the air. The monkey thought that everything was on the square. A buzzer tried to throw the monkey off his back. The monkey looked at him and said, "Listen, Jack, straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top." Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Up to the beat now. Was it turned the monkey, you was stroking me. Release me now and I will set you free. Monkey looked the buzzer right down into the eye. He said, "Your story's very touching, but I still think it's a lie." Straighten up and fly right. Yeah, straighten up and stay right. Straighten up and fly right. Move down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Straighten up and slide right. Straighten up and stay tight. Straighten up and slide right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your.
Fly right.
Nat King Cole.
Didn't Nat King Cole do that song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And he
Well, you
also
went way
did
back. That was a Nat King Cole song. I had no idea.
Solid potato salad.
All right, we're gonna check out. Paul, you can close the show tonight.
Tom, can you turn me up in the PA? Because I'm number two.
Number two,
Number
yeah.
2. Yeah, just turn it up. Check, check, check. Turn up at the top, at the very top knob. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Good. Thank you.
So what are we doing?
Okay. Let's do that one Bob wanted to do. Let's do Sifting Through the Ashes.
Good. All
I
right.
love that song.
In A. From a flame time. 1 2. A vamp on the A. There's a trail of smoke from a flame that died. Now the only thing still burning are the tears in my eyes when love runs hot. The only catch is it'll leave you on your knees sifting through the ashes. like Sherman's march when he torched Atlanta. You could feel the heat from here to Louisiana. I'd light our fire again, but I can't find the matches. Now I'm down here on my knees, sifting through the ashes. Sifting through the ashes of a burned out love affair. Searching for the reason why she's gone and I'm still here. Love takes you high, then it burns and crashes, and it'll leave you on your knees, sifting through the ashes. Come on, Bob. Time we spent, now it's just dying embers. Time forgets, but the fool remembers. So go on, drink to love, fill up your glasses, but don't you be surprised when love knocks you on your ashes. Sifting through the ashes of a burned out love affair. Searching for the reason why she's gone and I'm still here. Love takes you high, then it burns and crashes. Leave you on your knees, begging, baby, please, but all you find are memories sifting through the ashes.
We killed it. Good night, folks. See you next week. Don't be late.
Bring us some tacos.
Hey, thanks.
Thanks for inviting me.
Well,
Anytime.
I have a question.
You let me know.
I
Did
will.
you ever sell any of those songs? Did you ever place any of those songs?
You won't